Well, I've been trying to cut back on some of the calories, drop a few lbs, and one of the things that I like to do is not so much give up things, but make some smart substitutions. So, love ground beef, still eat it. Try to get a little bit leaner cut nowadays, but wife's introduced me to the ground turkey, and I love it, especially if you're going to season it with something. So today I thought maybe I'd do some sloppy joes, classic Americana right there, but do it with the actual ground turkey. So I've got some beautiful ground turkey. I've got a pound of that here. It's like 93% meat, very little fat content. I've got a bunch of seasonings. I'll put that all below, but it's basically brown sugar, cumin, smoked paprika, salt, pepper, garlic. I've got, I don't know, quarter cup of diced onions here, little apple cider vinegar, a can of tomato paste, little Dijon mustard, and of course the buns. I'm going to fire it up on the sidecar burner here, the grill, in a skillet, and without further ado, let's get started. All right, I already have oil in my pan, so let's fire that up. We'll just give it a minute to get hot. All right, our pan's nice and hot, so I'm going to get the turkey in. And I'm also going to throw in the minced onion. Just trying to brown it up and give it a little bit of color. Okay, now goes in the paste. Full can of paste. Our vinegar. A little shot of Dijon. All our spices. And a shot of water. And we'll mix. Now I'm basically just going to let this simmer a little bit. I want it kind of more of a pasty than a really loose, runny, like tomato sauce based consistency. So I think I'm happy with this. I'll just warm everything through, let the flavors meld, and then it's eating time. Get the sloppy part right in the sloppy Joe. Let's give it a taste. Yeah. Definitely going to want to have a napkin ready for this. It's really good though. Flavors are great. Seasoning is awesome. Nice and light. Make this at home. You'll be happy you did.